I'm excited to try this new peel product.
Me too.
What's the first step we're supposed to do?
First we wet our skin and then we take the cleanser and massage it into our face.
Okay, so wet your skin.
Okay, so now that our skin is clean, we are supposed to apply the peel.
Okay, so massage it onto your skin. Leave it on a little longer each day. Start with 5 minutes. Okay, it's getting to the end. My skin isn't feeling as tingly anymore as yours.
No, and it
No.
feels a little like tighter.
Yeah, and it's kind of sticky
Yes.
right
Yeah.
now.
All right.
Okay, time to rinse it off. Okay, so the next step is the retinol vitamin C concentrate.
Okay.
I use this at home, so I usually just put like 2 big drops on each finger.
Next is the renewing moisturizer. So it says massage a thin layer over your face and neck.
Okay. It feels good on my
It
hands.
does. It feels silky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, cheers to newer, younger skin.
Cheers.